आज हमें पढ़ना है ए मोशन इन वन डायमेंशन. बिफोर वी विल डिस्कस मोशन, that we what is इसमें ये आता है मैकेनिक्स. What is mechanics? Mechanics, it is that branch of science, physics rather, which deals with the study of the motion of the material objects. So, mechanics is the branch of physics which deals with the study of the motion of the material objects. इसमें भी है ये जो mechanics में there are three types of this. This one is called statics. Number second is called kinematics. Number third is called dynamics. Statics क्या किसको बोलते हैं? Statics. It is that branch of mechanics which deals with the study of material of the objects at rest. So it deals with the motion of the material objects at rest. गोया कि जब बॉडी रेस्ट पे होगा सो उस वक्त क्या मोशन उसको होगा, दैट इज कॉल्ड स्टैटिक्स. एन ऑब्जेक्ट कैन बी एट रेस्ट even when number of forces are acting on it. That means when a body is in equilibrium, that means number of forces acts on it and the net force acting on the body, it is zero. Hence statics is that branch of mechanics which deals with the motion of materials of the objects under effect of equilibrium forces. So it is also that branch of physics which deals with the motion of the material objects under effect of equilibrium forces. ठीक है. Now second is kinematics. Kinematics क्या है? It is that branch of mechanics which deals with the motion of the material objects without taking into consideration the factor that causes the motion. Force, nature of bodies, etc. So, when we consider the motion of a body without knowing the cause, which causes the motion, without knowing the effect, which causes the motion. फॉर एग्जाम्पल हम उसमें नेचर ऑफ द बॉडी कंसिडर नहीं करते हैं, हम फोर्स स्पेशली उस पर कंसिडर नहीं कर सकते हैं कि ये फोर्स का ये मोशन कैसे हुआ, ये बॉडी ये कैसे इन मोशन में आई. हैंस टाइम फैक्टर प्लेज एन इंपॉर्टेंट रोल इन दिस. ठीक है. नंबर थर्ड इज डायनेमिक्स. डायनेमिक्स इज दैट ब्रांच ऑफ of mechanics which deals with the motion of material objects when taking into consideration the cause या the effect which causes motion. Hence dynamic जो है, it is based on the force. So when force is applied on a body changes its position, then we can say it is in motion. So mechanics means which deals with the material motion of the material objects. It has three branches: statics, which deals with the motion of the bodies, material objects which are under the equilibrium forces; kinematics, which deals with the motion of the body without taking the consideration which causes the motion; and dynamics, which deals with the motion of the material bodies taking into consideration the cause which causes the motion.